Hello guys, welcome again to another video. So today I'm going to be making jollof rice and I will be using some ingredients I have basically in the house, I'll be putting the description down, the list of the ingredients in the description box. So I'll be trying this ingredient that was sent to me by a special friend, Mori Temi, all the way from Oklahoma City, and let's see how it goes. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is to add some oil in a pan. I'm not putting much oil because I have a little oil in the tomato base already. Okay, I'll be heating it up for a while and then I'll be adding my onions and my ginger, grinded ginger or grated ginger. Yeah, and then I'll saute this for like a minute or two before introducing the tomatoes. So if you guys are just logging onto my channel for the first time, if you're new here, you're highly welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch my recipe today. And I hope you will find time to try out the recipe in your house and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. So we'll just have this saute for about a minute or two and then we'll be adding the other ingredients. So right now I just added the tomato, like call it stew. Yeah, tomato stew I already had in my freezer. So I'm just going to be converting it to jollof rice, you know. So if you're not going to go through the process of using an already made stew, you can just check my recipes in my channel. You're going to see where I made the stew from the scratch, okay? And you can use that recipe to create yours. Okay, guys, at this point, my jollof rice is ready, and I love the color. I love the veggies I used. I used green peas, green pepper, and some carrots, and it really elevated the look, and of course it made it look very beautiful, and it was actually delicious. So at this point I'm done with my cooking. I'm just going to reintroduce the chicken I kept aside, and that's it. This is a very simple meal to recreate, and it's always good to spice up your meal sometimes, and a sparkle of variety here and there. And I really loved it, and my family loved this recipe too. So let me know if you'll be trying it out in the comment section. And if you've not eaten jollof rice before, if you're not from Africa, please make sure to try this recipe, and you will not regret it. But if you live close to Michigan, you can come to my house. I will be very willing to feed you jollof rice. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching up to this time. I am super grateful you stopped by to watch. And if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, kindly subscribe and like the video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.